Hey everyone, I'm Arnab and I'm a Power BI developer, right? And today I'll be talking about a DAX function called calculate. I'll be going into calculate function explicitly because it's one of the most widely used functions in Power BI, right? So let's get started. Okay, so first let's start with the data. I have the data open here and you can see that mainly have four numerical columns and two categorical columns, right? And the main use case of the calculate function is to filter data, essentially. So we'll be looking into it. First, I just wanted to show you the data, right? So we have divisions, which are east, north, south, west, then categories in which it's divided. Okay, just to give some context, this is a yearly report that is being exported from an Excel file, and we want to visualize this data in Power BI. Fine. So, and we'll be aggregating this data using the division column. So, before starting with the calculate function, I'll just take you to the Microsoft document so that we can all go through the syntax. And it's a good practice to check out the Microsoft document for any function that don't know much about in DAX. So right here I have the document open, the calculate, and if you want to go out here, just write, with the function name. In this case, it's calculate, and after that, Microsoft document DAX it will come up. I had it open already because I didn't want it to like mess up while recording this. So out here we can see that the syntax goes like this: the calculate function itself, the expression that we want, and then the filters. Right. So filters are how we filter the data. Now, for those of you who don't know what filtering means, I'll come back to Power BI. So out here, you can see that we have a lot of data. We have east, west, south, north, all the divisions in one table. Let's say I only want to see the data for east, right? So I can get rid of this, click east and press OK. So I'll only see the data that's for the east division. This is called filtering. Anyhow, now moving forward, we want to visualize this data. So this was the data pane in Power BI. We'll move to the visualization pane. Over here, I already have two visuals here just to make the point that what we want to do, right? So this is a card visual. It's here. I'll just make another one, right? So that you know what I'm doing. Let's get rid of this. I'll take the total column, place it here, turn it into a card. Where's a card? Yeah. So we can see that the total sales, this is the sum of all the sales that we hear. So if I go back to the data column, it's this whole column is showing this here as 5 million, the sales, right? And similarly, I had a table here. It's using the category and the sum of total. So showing the divisions. This is called aggregation data. So I'll just rebuild this as well. So I wanted the categories to show up. I just pull it in and I wanted the total in the table. I'll pull this in as well. So here we have this. Fair. So, okay, now where does the calculate function fit in over here? Let me show you that. So let's say I want to see the data for the East division. Right now, we just have category and the total sales. What happens when I want the divisions as well, and I want the data to be filtered as per a particular division. So for cards, it's pretty straightforward, right? And people might ask, like, you guys might think, like, hey, you have the filters pane right here. So why bother about a function? So I'll come to that. First, let me show you how to simply filter this. I'll copy paste this. I have another, this thing, the same card. I can very conveniently add a filter on the filters pane, right? So what I'll do here is I'll grab the division and I'll go for filters on this visual. I'll put it in here and I'll go for, let's say, I'll go for east here. So you can see the data is filtered now to only for the data that's in east. So what we can do here is we rename this. We'll call this not sum of total, sum of east. Let's leave it there, right? Sum of east, just like that. Not the best naming convention, but okay, why not? We're just doing a trial thingy. Similarly, I'll copy paste this and let's say now I want for north, right? So you get the drill. Instead of east, I'll pick north and we'll have this. Fair. Now, let's say I'm only concerned with East and North for my business requirement, and I don't want to see the others, right? So, how do I put this in the table? Because if I look at this table, you can see that there's a catch here. I only have filtering in terms of at the visual level is the maximum, right? So what I mean by that is if I drag the division over here and I put it in here on this visual and I say east, so you can see the whole thing filters as per east. So I can't have separate columns for north and east, right? So everything will be filtered as per a single column in the whole visual. So I can't drill down further. I hope that makes sense. So this is where the calculate function actually comes in. So the workaround here is to create measures. So what I'll do is I click here, I'll say new measure, got it. Let's say sum of total sales. We had, let's call this East sales, right? East sales array. Sorry about that. Equals calculate. Now what do we want? We want the sum of total, right? So yeah, we click in this. We close the bracket. Now the filters. So in our case, we wanted the division to be east. So we'll just go division. Here we have it equals east, and that's about it. Right. Enter. And then we'll just pull this down here. E-sales, here we have it. So now we have a column that is only representing the sales. Over here, okay, the column naming convention's a bit screwed up, but you get the drill, right? Now we're having the values in the previous column filtered down only where the name is East. So only the values for East. Similarly, I can do this for North as well. I'll copy this. I'll create a new measure. I'll paste it here, and here I'll say North. Oh, sorry about that. I forgot to rename this. This is not sales or now. And then very conveniently, we'll drag this in here. And now we have sales in the North region as well. So yeah, that's about it. That's how the calculate function actually helps us to further filter down where the filter pane can't help us anymore. So yeah, I hope this made sense. You guys let me know what you think. Thank you. I'll stop recording.